Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this fried fish without vegetable oil? I added powdered onion, mixed spices for fish, salt, garlic and pepper. So I will marinate and marinate together. For those of you always returning to watch my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep sharing. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload new videos, you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I added them to the pan. As you can see, it is without oil. I'll cover and allow it to cook for some time. So yeah, I came to flip over. So what I did, once this side is cooked, I'll flip it over. Once the other side is cooked, I flip it over. That was how I achieved the golden brown color. So this recipe, guys, you can fry your fish without vegetable oil. I'll cover and allow the sides to cook. So here it is cooked. I will remove from the pan. I enjoy this fish with curry, and the remaining one I enjoyed it with bread. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.